Hi, my name's Katie Jones and I'm a crochet designer. Along with my mum Annie, I run my own crochet brand, where I sell all my patterns online for people to complete in their own homes. My work has been on display at the V&A as part of their Fashion from Nature exhibition and at the Ferragamo Museum in Florence. Crocheting has been part of my family for generations. My aim is to reduce waste and make something beautiful from nothing, as my granny used to say. I love how crochet gives you the freedom to make any kind of garment you want from a single piece of yarn. All you need is a hook, some yarn, and a little bit of patience. In this Domestika course, you will learn the fundamental techniques and essential skills needed for crochet. For the final project, you'll make your own garment using granny squares. I'll introduce you to the granny square and the tools we're going to use. You'll learn how to hold your hook and some basic stitching techniques. Then I'll show you where I look for inspiration and how yarn choices can drastically change your makes. We'll then tackle the 4 stitches needed for making granny squares: the slip stitch, chain stitch, double crochet and treble crochet. I'll teach you how to plan your jumper, play with colour and construct your body and sleeves. Next, I'll show you the finishing touches, edging your jumper and how to block your final piece. Finally, I'll share with you my top tips for caring for your makes and best ways to share your work and engage with the crafting community. By the end, you'll be able to make your own jumper, following the granny square technique step by step. To follow my lessons, you'll just need crochet hooks and some yarn. This course is for anyone who loves working with their hands and has desire to make their own clothes. Happy hooking!